A cold fish. This idiom is often used to describe someone who is perceived as distant or indifferent in social interactions. The term cold fish likely originates from the literal sensation of a cold fish, which feels lifeless and unresponsive to the touch. It has been used in English literature and colloquial speech since at least the early 20th century. This idiom is commonly used in British and American English. For example, despite her beauty, her cold demeanor made her seem like a cold fish. Or, he never shows any excitement or interest. He's such a cold fish.